So good morning students. Today we will do the revision of exercise 2.2 and 2.3. Okay. So coming to the very first sum, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. If you look in your book in page number 40, it says find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Means we need to arrange them in such a way so that the addition becomes easier for us. So the number which we are given over here is 837. Then we have 208 and lastly we have 363. So we need to arrange these figures in such a way so that it becomes easier for us to find the answer. Now we all know that when we add 0 with any of the numbers, suppose I add with 8, it always becomes 8. So it makes our life easier. So we need to do it in that way, okay, so that it becomes easier for us to calculate. Okay. So we know that 7 plus 8 it becomes as 15. 15 when we add with 3 it comes as 18. So we need to calculate them one by one. However, if we arrange them in the figure as 336 plus 837 plus 208, it will find that it makes our life easier. So if we calculate 363 with 837, it straightway comes as 1200. Okay. So the answer is over here is 1200 plus 208. Your answer will be 1408. So we can see over here that it makes our life easier to calculate in such a way. So coming to sum number B, in sum number B, the figures which are given are 1962, 1962 plus 453 plus we have 1538 and lastly we have 647. So if we calculate them or if we rearrange them, it becomes as 1962. 2 plus 8, we all know that it comes as 0. This is 1. The next one will be 453 plus 647. So if we add, we will get over here as 1000, and if we add this to, we will get as 3500. So when we add this to figure amount, it comes as 4500. And now let's see, 1962, 1, 9, 6, 2 and 1, 5, 3, 8. When we plus this to 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 6 plus 3, 9 and 1, 10, carry 1, 9 and 1, 10, 10 and 5, 15, carry 1, 3. So we got 3500 over here, and over here let's take the numbers as 453 plus, I apologize, it will come as 1100, and this one will become as 4600, and 647. If we add this to 53 plus 47 becomes 100. So 100, carry 1, 4 and 6 becomes 10 and 1, 1100. So we have over here as 1100. When we add this to amount, it comes as 4600 or 4600. This is how we need to rearrange the numbers so that it becomes easier for us to calculate the sum. So moving to the next question. In the next question, find the product by suitable rearrangement. And product means the multiply and sum means plus. So over here you will find the numbers which are given, and the very first figure is 2 into 1768 into 50. So we need to arrange them. First we know that 50, if we multiply by 2, it becomes 100 into 1768. This comes as 100 into 1768. It's very simple. 1861768, and over here it's 20. We need to add 2 zeros over here. This is how we need to do the arrangement when trying to find out the product. Let's try another one. And sum number B says 4 into 166 into 25. Now arrange them into 100. Find 100. 4 into 25 is 100 into 166. So now if you calculate 4 into 25 is 100 into 166. It will come as 16600. This is how we find out the product. Let's try with another one. Let's try the last one as F. And F, the numbers which are given is 125 into 40. It's 125 into 40 into 8 into 25 into 8 into 25. So if we calculate 125 into 8 into 40 into 25, if it comes as 125 into 8, it comes as 1000, 1000 into 1000. So 1 into 1 is 1, and find out the number of zeros. There are 6 zeros. You need to write 6 zeros. If we do it in such a way, if we arrange it, the sums in this way, then it makes our life easier and we can find out the answer of a sum much faster, and the answer or the chances of going wrong is very nominal. Now for number 3, sum number 3, let me show some example from this sum also. A. The first one is 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So in this case, we can multiply 297 with 17, and then we can multiply by 3 also. But that will take a longer time. What we can do, we find over here that 297 is similar in both the cases. So write 297 over here, then multiply it by 17, and over here we have a plus sign, put a plus and 3, then it becomes as 297 into 20. Straight away multiply it. Now you will find the answer as 5,940. If we want to find out the result, whether it is correct or not, we can do it in this way. 20 zeros, let's put 1 0 over here. 2 into 7 as 4, carry 1, write 1. 2 nines are 2 into 9 is 18, and 1 19. 9, carry 1. 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5. You will find, and for zeros it will be 0 0 0. Your answer is 5940. This is what is your answer. So by rearranging the sum in a proper way, it becomes easier for us to calculate the sum or the product of the number. Now let's take sum number B as an example, or let's take sum number C. In Sum number C, it says 81,265. 81,265 multiplied by 169 minus 81,265 into 69 in. So let's rearrange it. So this number and this number is common in both the cases. So write 81,665 into 169. We have a minus sign, put a minus sign and write 69. 81,265 we need to be multiplied by 100. 169 minus 69 is 100. Your answer will be 812650 because we have two zeros over here. If we take these two zeros, if we multiply 81,265 with 1, it comes as the same number, 81,265, and as we have two zeros and two zeros, it will take less time for you people to do, and the chances of going wrong will be very nominal. Moving to sum number 4. In sum number 4 says find the product using the suitable property. Find the product using the suitable property. It says 738 into 103. It says find the product using the suitable property. So if we look in this particular sums, 738 So for 738, if we break or let it be the same, we can do it in this way: 7,138 into 100 plus 3. It will become as 73800, and we need to multiply 738 by 3. 3 8s are 24, 4 carry 2, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 as 11, carry 1, 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22. So put 2, 2, 1, 4. Now simply what you need to do, you need to add this to figure, which is 73,800 plus 22,214. Add this to figure, you will find as 418 plus 2 equals to 10, 0 carry 1, 3 and 1 4 plus 2 6 and 7. Your answer will be 76,014. So if we break the number into the nearest, it become or nearest hundred or nearest tens, it makes our life easier to calculate any of the figure. Here. Now let's take another one example. Let's take 1005. This is A, and the example which we are taking is sum number D. It is 1005 into 168 as 168. Let this number be fixed. We are dividing this 168 into 100 plus 60 plus 8. Now, if we try to calculate, we'll find the numbers which we'll get is 1 0 0 5 0 0. Oh, because 1 multiplied by 1005, it comes as 1005, and as we have two zeros, we put two zeros over here. Then 1005 into 60, so you will get 1 0 over here automatically over here because there is only 1 0, and this one will become 6030. Lastly, this, if multiplying it with 8, it comes as 8040. Calculate this and put an add sign in 4048861. This will be your answer. So, students, I'll advise you people to break this sums so that it makes our life easier. Okay, now we will move to chapter 2.3. We'll do the revision work from chapter 2.3. It says, which of the following exercise 2.3, the very first thing, the sum says, which of the following will not represent 0? So, let's put 1 over here. And okay, 2.3, from this sum, let's try sum number 4, because this type of sums are one which we are going to get in our exam. And so the numbers, first number is 728. Into 101. So let's try to break this number 728 into 100 and 1. If we multiply 728 with 100, we get 72800, and 728 with 1, we get 728. So add this 2 with 8 into 0, 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 0 is 2, 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1, 2 and 1, 3, and 7. So always try to break these figures so that it becomes easier for us to do this type of sums. Let's try with the next one, which says is 824 into 25. 800, let's see. It's 824 into 25. So how to break? We can break this sum into part. We can either break 800 plus 20 plus 4 multiplied by 25. Let's do it in this way. So 800 into 25, it comes as 20,000. 800 into 25, it comes as 20,000. 20 into 25, 20 into 25 as 500. And 4 into 25 comes as 100. So let's add this. It will come as 20,000 and 600 will be your answer. So people, we can break this sum, any of the number, and make our life easier. Always I'll suggest or advise you people to break such a number which is complicated. Then let's try another one as 4275 into 125. So let's break this. 4275 into 100 plus 20 plus 5. 4275 into 100, it comes as 4275 0. Now 4, 2, 7, 5 into 20. It will come as 8, 5, 5, 0. And lastly, 5 into 4, 2, 7, 5. It will come as 20. I apologize. There is a minor mistake from my end. Eight, 5, 5. Zero, 0. Let's try this over here. 0, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 7 14 and 1 15, 5, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5 and 8. So it comes as 85,500, and this one will come as 21,375. 21,375. Let's try it over here. 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37, carry 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 as 13, so 3, carry 1, 5 4s are 20 and 1 is 21. So we got the result of the multiplication. What we need to do now? We need to add it. So it comes as 5, 7, 5 and 5, 10 plus 3, 13, carry 1, 7 and 1, 8, 8 and 5, 13 and 1, 14, 4, carry 1, 2 and 1 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So we will need to put 3 over here, 4 and 1 is 5. This is how we can do this type of sums by distributing it in a smaller part. I hope this is clear to all of you. So I'll advise you people to try and best of luck for your exam.